In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages in Softr. If you're looking to expand your site with additional pages, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through the steps to show you just how easy it is to add new pages to your Softr application, ensuring your site development journey is smooth and efficient. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Softr. Once the homepage loads, navigate to the Softr link. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Make sure you have your login information handy, or create an account if you're new to Softr. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll arrive at the dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Browse through your list of applications on the dashboard and select the application where you want to add a new page. Selecting the correct application is essential so that your new page integrates seamlessly with your existing content. With the application open, focus your attention on the Pages menu, typically found in the top left corner of the interface. Clicking on it will display a list of pages that exist within your application. From here, you can overlook your site structure and prepare to add another layer to it. Now, let's choose a foundational element to incorporate. This selection depends on your planned content, but don't worry. Softr's intuitive interface will guide you. When ready, spot the gold plus button perched at the top of the Pages menu. This is your gateway to adding a new page, so go ahead and click it. Once you've clicked the plus button, a prompt will appear asking for your new page's name. Enter a name that succinctly describes the page's purpose, then hit Save. Naming your page clearly helps maintain a well-organized site. Now, with the new page created, you'll notice it's initially empty. To seamlessly guide your visitors through your site, return to the home page or any other existing page. Here, you can integrate a link or button in your navigation menu directing visitors to your new page. This ensures users can explore everything your site offers without missing a beat. Next, you can click on the newly established page to begin filling it with content. Add blocks, decide on layouts, include text, images, lists, whatever suits your style and intended message. This is where your creativity shines, shaping each page into a unique component of your site. If at any point you need to tweak the settings, just click the gear icon corresponding to the page you're working on. In the general settings, you're able to change the page's name or alter the URL slug, which is the unique identifier within the URL. Customizing these settings helps tailor your pages for better user experience and indexing. Furthermore, delve into additional settings like SEO and navigation customization here. Effective SEO settings can enhance your page's discoverability, enriching your site's visibility on search engines. That's it. You now know how to confidently add pages in Softr, opening new possibilities for showcasing your content.